Hi there, hi Sudoku friends. Welcome back with the second regular Sudoku in this newspaper of Friday, February 12th, 2021. We have here two regular Sudokus, one Sudoku light and one Sudoku heavy, and the first one we have already solved, but the second one, this Sudoku heavy, will be number 2315. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one I have already counted 25 printed digits. So if you compare with the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 stars in the additional, this will be a hard one. 3 stars. Alright. So let's get started. 1 in this column, 1 in that column. So in the column between the middle column, the only two places for the 1 should be here or there. You see there 1, no 1 there, 1 should be here. And then 1 in this column, 1 in the second column. So the first column, only two places for the 1 should be here or there. You see there 1, no 1 there, 1 should be there. 1 in this row, 1 in the last row, so the row between. The only two places for the 1 should be here or there. We see there 1, no 1 there, 1 should be here. 1 in this column, 1 in the column next. So in the last column, the only three places for the 1 should be here, or there. We see there 1, no 1 there. Here 1, no 1 there. The only place for the 1 should be there. And all the 1s are used. I can see. Digit number 1, number 1. Alright. And then the 5 in this column, 5 in the third column, so in the column between the second column. The only three places for the 5 should be here, or there. We see there 5, no 5 there. Here 5, no 5 there. Only place for the 5 should be there. Then in this big square, 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is a 5. We see here 5, no 5 there. Here 5, no 5 in those two boxes. One box left for the 5. Should be there. 5 in this row, 5 in that row. So the row between, the middle row, the only two places for the 5 should be here or there. We see there 5, no 5 there. 5 should be there. Then I cannot continue with the 5. Need to wait. Two, 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 9. We see here 9, no 9 in those two boxes. One box left for the 9. Should be there. Two boxes left in this big square for the numbers 2 and 4. 2 and 4. Let me mark those two boxes. It's a pair. It's a pair. Alright. And then. How about mm, the 7 in this row, 7 in that row. So the row between, the middle row, the only place for the 7 should be there. Then. Then, yeah, in this big square, 5 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 9. We see here 9, so no 9 in these two boxes. So the 9 could be in one of these 3 boxes. So we have a 9 in one of those 3 boxes in this row. We have a 9 in that row. So in the middle row, the row between, the only 3 places for the 9 should be here, here, or there. We see there 9, no 9 there, here 9, no 9 there. The only place for the 9 should be there. 9 in this column, 9 in the middle column. So in the column next, the only 2 places for the 9 should be here or there. We see there 9, no 9 there, 9 should be there. Then I cannot continue with the 9. How about 3, 6 in the third column, 6 in the second column. So in the column next, the first column, the only place for the 6 should be there. 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 6. We see there 6, no 6 in those 3 boxes. Here 6, no 6 in these 2 boxes. 1 box left in this big square for the number 6. Should be there. Then in the last column, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 6. We see there 6, no 6 there. Here 6, no 6 there. Here 6, no 6 there. So the 6 could be here or there. We see there 6, no 6 there. The only place for the 6 should be there. Then yeah. 2 numbers left in this row for the numbers 2 and 8. 2 and 8. We see there 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here. And the 8 goes there. So we have an 8 in this row, 8 in the middle row. So the row above, the only place for the 8 should be here. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 3 and 4. 3 and 4. We see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here and the 4 goes there. Now we have a 4 here. So this can't be 4 anymore. This should be a 4 and this should be a 2. Alright, 1 number left in this first column for the number 8. Then 3 in this column, 3 in the second column. So in the third column, the only 2 places for the 3 should be here or there. We see there 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here. 3 in this row, 3 in the row below. So in the last row, only place for the 3 should be there. Then I cannot continue with the 3. Need to wait. How about 2, 4, 7. No. 8, 4, 2. 4, 2, 2, 7. 2, 7 and Alright, 4 in this column, 4 in the middle column. So in the column next, the only place for the 4 should be there. 2 boxes left in this column for the numbers 8 and 3. 8 and 3. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Alright. The other pair in this big square should be the numbers 5 and 7. We see there 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 2 numbers left in this column for the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and the 8 are missing. 6 and the 8, we have an 8 there, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the number 7 and 2. Let me mark those 2 boxes, 2 and 7. 8, 3 missing no. Let me see. Yeah, no, 8. 2, 2. 6 in this row, 6 in the last row, so the row between. The only place for the 6 should be there. 6 in this row, first row, 6 in the third row, so the row between. The second row, the only 2 places for the 6 should be here. Oh, there we see there 6, no 6 there, 6 should be here. And all the 6s are used. I can see. Digit number 2, number 6. All right. 5 in this column, 5 in the column next. So in that column, the only 3 places for the 5 should be here, here, or there. We see there 5, we see here 5, so no 5s in those 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 5. It should be there. And all the 5s are used. I can see. Digit number 3, number 5. All right. 3 missing numbers in the first row. One of the missing number is an 8. We see here an 8, no 8 there. Here an 8, no 8 there. The only place for the 8 should be there. 8 in this column, last column, 8 in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places for the 8 should be here or there. We see there an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be there. Then I cannot continue with the 8. How about those 2 numbers? Those missing numbers are the 4 and the 7. No, I cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. 2. 2 and a 7. 2 and a 7. 4, 4. 2, 7, 4. Well. 7, 7. Ay. What's happening? 9, 9, 9, 9. 9, 9, 9. 9, 9. The 3 we need there. 3. Yes. In this big square, 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers. One of the missing number is a 3. We see here 3, no 3 there. Here 3, no 3 there. So the 3 could be here, could be there. So we have a 3 in one of those 2 boxes in this column. 3 in the last column. So the column between, the only place for the 3 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 2 and 9. Let me mark those 2 boxes. 2 and a 9, 2 and a 9. 2, 2, 2. in this column, 1, 2, 3 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 9. We see here 9, no 9 there. So the 9 could be here or there. We see there 9, no 9 here. 9 should be here. Then alright, 4 and 7, 5 and 7. Okay. 2, 9, 4. Okay. Let me see. 9, 2, 4, 4. Yes. In this big square, 3 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 4. We see here 4, no 4 there. So the 4 could be here, could be there. So we have a 4 in one of those two boxes in the last row, 4 in the row above. So in that row, the only place for the 4 should be there. 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 2 and 7. 2 and 7. So we have a 2 in the first column, 2 in one of those two boxes in the second column. So in the third column, the only 2 places for the 2 should be here or there. We see there 2, no 2 there, 2 should be here. 1 box left in this third column for the number 7. 1 box left in this first row for the number 4. 1 box left in this column for the number 7. I have eliminated the 4, so the 4 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for the number 2. Now we have a 2 there, so this can be 2 anymore. This should be the 2, and this should be a 7. Now we have a 2 there, so this can be 2 anymore. This should be the 2, and this should be a 7. Now we have a 2 there, so this can be 2 anymore. This should be the 2, and this should be a 9. So we have a 9 in this row, 9 in the second row. So the row below the third row, the only 2 places for the 9 should be here. Oh, there we see there 9, no 9 there, 9 should be there. 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 3 and 7. We see there 7, no 7 there, 7 should be here. And the 3 goes there. Now we have a 3 there, so this can't be 3 anymore. This should be the 3, and this should be the 8. And the final 2 numbers of this big square for the numbers 8 and 4. 8 and 4. We have a 4 here, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 8 goes there. Finish in 18 minutes. All right. Great Sudoku, heavy Sudoku. I like this one. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And don't forget, only if you like, only if you want, to subscribe and hit that bell button or bell icon to be notified by YouTube when I upload new Sudokus to my channel. Thank you again for watching. Take care. Stay healthy. And keep on puzzling. See you later with the extra Sudokus in the additional. Yes. See you then. Bye bye. For now.